Backyard pools are hotter than ever, but not everyone has the space or budget for a huge pool. That's where cocktail pools come in. These compact pools are perfect for smaller yards and tighter budgets. More and more homeowners are discovering the joys of these mini oases. Cocktail pools offer a refreshing alternative to traditional pools. You can cool off, relax, and entertain guests, all without the hefty price tag of a full-size pool. It's no wonder they're becoming a popular choice for urban and suburban homes alike. Whether you want a sleek, modern look or a more natural feel, there's a cocktail pool designed for you. They're proving that you don't need a massive pool to create a luxurious backyard retreat. From their affordability to their space-saving design, these pools offer a lot to love. You might just find that a cocktail pool is the perfect solution for your backyard. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more backyard inspiration. So what is a cocktail pool? It's a small, compact pool designed for relaxation and socializing. Think of it as a cross between a pool and a hot tub. Cocktail pools are typically no larger than 400 square feet. They're perfect for cooling off, lounging, and enjoying a cocktail or two. These pools got their name from their social nature. The depth is usually around 4 to 5 feet. Some even have built-in seating for perching with a drink in hand. Let's talk about one of the biggest advantages of cocktail pools: affordability. Traditional pools can cost anywhere from $30,000 to $100,000 or more. Cocktail pools, on the other hand, typically range from $5,000 to $15,000. This lower cost makes pool ownership accessible to many more homeowners. The savings don't stop at installation. Cocktail pools also cost less to maintain. They require less water to fill and fewer chemicals to keep clean. This means lower ongoing expenses for you. You'll spend less on water bills, chemical treatments, and energy costs for pumps and filters. Another budget-friendly aspect is the reduced need for extensive landscaping. With a smaller pool, you'll have more yard space left over. You can create a beautiful poolside area without breaking the bank on extensive renovations. Cocktail pools are a game changer for small backyards. They prove that you don't need a huge space to enjoy the benefits of a pool. These compact pools can fit into areas where traditional pools simply wouldn't work. This makes them ideal for urban homes, townhouses, or any property with limited outdoor space. The space-saving design of cocktail pools opens up possibilities. You can have a pool and still have room for other backyard features. Imagine a cozy seating area, a small garden, or a play space for kids. With a cocktail pool, you don't have to choose between a pool and other outdoor amenities. Cocktail pools are also great for odd-shaped or sloped yards. Their smaller size makes them more flexible in terms of placement. This adaptability means you can make the most of your available space, no matter its shape or size. A well-designed cocktail pool area can make even the smallest yard feel like a luxurious retreat. Cocktail pools aren't just functional. They're also a great way to boost your backyard's aesthetic appeal. These small pools can complement any style of home or landscape. Whether your taste is modern or rustic, there's a design that will fit right in. They blend seamlessly with your outdoor space. Choose materials that match your patio or deck. This creates a cohesive look. LED lights can transform your pool at night. Imagine soft, color-changing lights. Water features enhance beauty. A small waterfall adds movement and sound. Installing a cocktail pool yourself can be a rewarding project. Approach this carefully. Check local building codes and obtain necessary permits. Consider the location carefully. Choose a level spot, away from trees or structures. Mark out the area and start excavating. Precision is key. Some pools come as preformed shells. Others require building the structure yourself. Don't forget the important systems. Consider hiring a professional for this part. Investing in a cocktail pool can lead to significant long-term savings. Let's break down some of the ways these compact pools can be economical over time. First, there's the matter of water usage. A cocktail pool requires far less water to fill and maintain than a traditional pool. This means lower water bills year after year. Energy costs are another area where cocktail pools shine. Smaller pools need less powerful pumps and filters. This translates to lower electricity costs for running these systems. If you opt for a heated pool, you'll also spend less on heating a smaller volume of water. Maintenance is simpler and less expensive with cocktail pools. You'll use fewer chemicals to keep the water balanced and clean. Smaller surface area also means less time spent on tasks like skimming and vacuuming. A well-designed cocktail pool might have broader appeal, offering the luxury of a pool without the overwhelming maintenance of a large one. One of the best things about cocktail pools is how customizable they are. You can truly make your pool reflect your personal style and needs. From shape and size to features and finishes, the possibilities are nearly endless. While rectangular pools are popular, you're not limited to this traditional design. Circular, oval, or even custom shapes can add unique character to your backyard. Some homeowners opt for kidney-shaped pools or designs that mimic natural ponds. Material choice is another area where you can customize. Concrete, fiberglass, and vinyl-lined pools each have their own look and feel. Concrete offers the most flexibility in terms of shape and design. Fiberglass pools come in preformed shells with a smooth, low-maintenance finish. Vinyl-lined pools can be a more budget-friendly option with a soft surface underfoot. With so many options, you can create a pool that's perfectly tailored to your lifestyle and preferences. As we wrap up our exploration of cocktail pools, let's take a moment to imagine the possibilities. Picture yourself stepping out into your backyard on a warm summer evening. There, nestled in your landscaping, is your very own cocktail pool. It's not just a pool, it's a personal retreat right outside your door. With the affordability and practicality of cocktail pools, it's a reality within reach for many homeowners. You don't need a massive yard or a huge budget to create a backyard oasis. A well-designed cocktail pool can transform even the most modest outdoor space into a luxurious getaway. Think about the memories you could create in your new outdoor space. Summer parties with friends gathered around the pool. Quiet evenings floating under the stars. A cocktail pool isn't just about having a place to swim. It's about creating a lifestyle centered on outdoor enjoyment and relaxation. Your personal paradise is closer than you think.